Hey, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and it's been a minute since I've really been recording like that. It's about to be another minute, but I'll explain in another video. But today I'm actually kind of hyped for this, man, because I just got this in the mail like maybe a day or two or something like that, and it was supposed to get delivered, but FedEx said they attempted, even though they didn't. So basically, I had to go to the FedEx in Waukegan, Illinois, and pick up my package, but here he is. We finally got the Galaxy A54 5G. I want to see what's up with this thing, because this thing looked nice, and I ain't picked up an A phone since like the A50. And we got the Pixel 6a over here, so I want to go and check these out side by side. But anyway, y'all know what we gotta do. Let's get into it. Alright, folks, now. So we back again at the legendary unboxing table again. We got the Galaxy A54 5G. This thing just came out probably like a week ago or something like that, and I just got it in the mail. I ain't go front, man. I ain't really even see this thing come out. I've been seeing it on Twitter though, so I was like, yeah, that phone look decent. I'm gonna have to pick that thing up. And now here he is. And on God, this thing look decent. For a Galaxy A54 5G, like look at the Pixel 6a over here. It's a good looking phone, but at the same time, look at that A54 just off the picture, bro. I don't know about y'all, but I'm with this. That's shit wild though, on God. But anyway, yeah, we got the Galaxy A54 5G over here, and check this out. I just pulled this out. This one I had the Galaxy A50. Crazy, right? Look at the difference over here, bro. They came a long way. Anyway, looking around the box, we got Galaxy A54 here at the top. We got the phone itself, which is actually glass now, so I don't really know why they did that. It ain't got no wireless chargers, so that's just kind of weird in my opinion. They should just did like glassing or something. But yeah, we got the Samsung logo here at the bottom. On the left side, we got Galaxy A54 5G. On the right side, we don't got nothing, and on the back, we got some info. So it's just saying what we got up inside the box, so we'll check that out in a second. But yeah, anyway, at the top and the bottom, we don't really got nothing. So anyway, that's all we got to really do is just crack into this box. Let's go and get into this thing. We got two pieces of tape. Let's go and cut that, and let's go ahead and cut that. All right, cool. So busting this box open real quick. I ain't got no case or like screen protector or nothing like that, so this gonna be wild, man. Hopefully I don't scratch this thing, but I can just feel the glass right there, and that thing feel nice, bro. That's what she said, or he said. Maybe she said. I don't know. But that's the color I got, man, and this color is busting. Just look at that in the light. Let me get this plastic off real quick, and I'll show you all that a little bit more. So here we go. And just taking out the plastic right there. I already knew Samsung wasn't gonna put no screen protector on here. They just being mad cheap nowadays. But yeah, that phone looks beautiful, bro. Woo! So don't got no notch or nothing like that like Samsung used to have. Like I've been looking at the newer Galaxy A50s, like the A53, and I don't even remember if that thing had a notch or not. But I know this is their first glass Galaxy A phone, and this thing look jumping, bro. Now on the sides, these are just gonna be like regular aluminum, but still, man, this is cool. At least I'm assuming it's aluminum. It might be plastic though, I'm not gonna lie. Now looking at it a little bit closer, yeah, that might be plastic. So this thing's gonna run you $450, and the only size that you're gonna be able to get it in is 128 gig. Now you look on the Google side, it's pretty much the same exact thing, so I guess that's fair. Now let's go and check out the box real quick. So let's go and check out this part right here, and that's where we should have our user manual and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and bust this open real quick. There we go. We got the charger, and then we got a user manual. So you know what we do with that. We throw it to the side as always. And then we got our Type-C to Type-C cable here in white, so that's cool. And then we got our SIM card ejector tool. So that's different now. And that's pretty much up inside the box. So you know Samsung and all these other companies, they don't really throw nothing in the box anymore, but you know, it is what it is. Anyway, looking around the phone here, this is what it looks like. But that's pretty much it inside the box. So you know Samsung and these other companies, they don't really throw nothing in the box these days anymore, but it is what it is. Anyway, looking around the phone real quick, let's go and turn this on and let's see how this thing looks like. So we got Samsung Galaxy, and then we got the camera here, like I said earlier, so we get the hole punch. At the top here, you can see that we got a cutout here for our earpiece. So let's go ahead and zoom out real quick. And looking on the back here, we have our back glass. So we got three cameras over here. I'm assuming it's the wide, ultra wide, and maybe the telephoto, but it might just be the macro on one of these. We got the flash, we got the Samsung logo, and then we got my IMEI. And then looking at the front again, just look at that. So the bezels really ain't that big at all. That's actually pretty good. Let's compare that to the Pixel over here real quick. So let's go and turn this on, and you can see, well, let me take off this case real quick. Hold up. I feel like the Pixel might be a little bit slimmer, but they ain't really even that much. Now, if I go and open this up, we do got an advantage over the Pixel that I did not expect. So check this out. Still got a micro SD card slot. So these days, Samsung's still putting it on these cheaper phones. I swear I thought I heard somewhere that we don't get it no more, but it's cool that Samsung still got it on these. And Google, I don't even really think they ever had an SD card slot. So yeah, you can still expand the memory up on here. That's cool. But anyway, let's go and set this thing up, and I'll get back to y'all. Alright, so that was pretty quick. I just got this thing set up, and it actually gave me a pop-up on my phone over there asking me if I wanted to set up this phone, so that was cool. Alright, so we got this thing all set up and signed into my Samsung account, Google account, all day. So far, this phone seemed decent, and I saw some setup options I never saw before, so that was cool. Now, let's see how this thing sound. That sound alright, I guess. Let's pull up the camera and see how that looks. So it looks like we got the regular wide here, we have ultra wide, and then we do have telephoto. So cool. That's exactly what I wanted. And if I go and tap on this at the top here, check this out. We actually got 50 megapixels on here. That's dope for a phone this price. Now, obviously, obviously you're not gonna get no space zoom or nothing like that. Like if you want a feature like that, go get a Galaxy S23 or something. Now we gonna have to see how this thing stacks up to the Tensor chip and all that, so that's gonna be interesting. But so far, I mean, the phone seems alright. I seen a little bit of lag, but it ain't nothing too crazy. Now I'm pretty sure this does use Exynos though, so I'm kind of concerned about that because, you know, Exynos ain't really all that these days, but you know, again, we'll have to see. But anyway, appreciate y'all for coming through. I don't know why, but just holding this phone in person, it just seemed like real wide in comparison to the Pixel 6a over here. But anyway, I'm up out of here. Hopefully I enjoyed this, man. Let me know what y'all want to see on the Galaxy A54. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe, and go and follow me on my social media at Ecentech on Instagram and Twitter, and Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter is the most active. And it's good to see Samsung really getting competitive in the Galaxy A series again, because I feel like that's because of Google. Google really been killing it with the Pixel series, and now Samsung got this Galaxy A54, so we're gonna have to go and see how this stacks up with the software and everything. Well, I know the software is pretty good on here, but we're gonna have to go and see how this thing stacks up, because I do really prefer the Samsung software, even though I like the Hold For Me feature and all that in the Pixel software. You just got things like Good Lock you can't really beat, and also you got things out here like the 2x zoom, and then you got One UI itself, which I prefer, like from a visual representation and all that. But again, we're gonna have to go and see how these things stack up. But anyway, I'm up out of here, man. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one then. Peace out.
Right.